On a lovely evening flying the Interceptor version 2 3D printed plane. Difference with this, running on 6S now, and I'm using one of the high voltage Hobby King 6S packs, so more capacity basically. So let's give that a go. Right, so arming in a second. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Great ones. Oh, good. Would you mind standing on my left?
I'm here, yeah.
Nick.
Oh, Nick.
Yeah.
So come this side, Nick.
With the microphone, otherwise you won't pick up.
I'm going to have to find it again. It's up there.
Well, so far maximum speed 152.
That's pretty good.
Oh, I've lost it. Oh, it's over there by the sun. I'm not following that.
Over the combine.
Yeah.
Keeping within the field. Up some high altitude, 200 feet, 300 feet,
okay, that should do it.
400 feet, and turn and burn. 162 now.
Yeah, that's better.
God. Feels faster.
It does. It looks quick.
Probably one more pass.
Yeah.
Right, so landing.
Okay.
Downhill, yes?
Yes, downhill from where you are now. Nice one, well done. That's good.
Was that good?
Very good.
I think it's the best landing you've done.
Nice.
Certainly the slowest.
Let me just unlock the screen. Oh, God, that seems so fast. You're blinking you're at the other end of the field. Woo.
I'm not sure how much we actually videoed on this, I'm not sure,
don't worry.
honest.
Don't worry. I tell you, this is, Nick, without doubt, you could not fly that line of sight.
Yeah, especially tonight.
Tonight, with the sun up there as well. It's right in the middle, isn't it? But real blast to fly. So, who's the guy who does this?
Stunt double.
Stunt double on Colts 3D, and really easy to print. And chuck in an iNav flight controller and DJI 04, and brilliant. And the motors, they are T-Motor Velox.
Yeah, they 6SA 2207s?
Yes, 1950 kV, if you're interested in doing the same thing. But huge blast to fly. I tell you what, it really gets the adrenaline flowing, like it does flying a turbine jet for the first time. Brilliant. So thanks for watching, see you next time. Thanks to Nick on camera, thanks to Adrian for launching. See you next time, bye. Oh,